Imagine living in a world with no telescopes, no satellites, no space agencies, and no modern science. A time when people believed the sky was simply a solid ceiling above them. No one knew about galaxies, cosmic expansion, or the true nature of the universe. Now imagine a book revealed more than 1400 years ago, in the deserts of Arabia, a place far from the centers of science and learning at that time. Yet, inside that book, there is a statement that has made many people pause and think deeply. The Qur'an says, "In the heaven we built with strength, and indeed we are expanding it." Think about that for a moment. Today, modern astronomy tells us that the universe is expanding. Galaxies are moving away from each other, and space itself is stretching. This discovery only became widely accepted in the 20th century, especially after the observations of the astronomer Edwin Hubble. His work showed that distant galaxies are moving away from us, which means the universe is expanding. Before that discovery, many scientists actually believed that the universe was static and unchanging. So the question naturally arises: how could a statement about the expansion of the universe appear in a book revealed centuries before modern astronomy even existed? At the time the Quran was revealed, people did not have the tools to study distant galaxies. There were no telescopes powerful enough, no space observatories, and no scientific instruments capable of measuring the movement of galaxies. Yet the Quran makes a statement that seems to align with what scientists discovered more than 1,000 years later. For many people who reflect on this, it raises an important question. Was this simply a coincidence, or could it be that the Quran contains knowledge that was beyond human understanding at that time? Interestingly, this is not the only verse that makes people reflect about the universe, creation, and the natural world. Many readers, including scientists and researchers, have been fascinated by how certain verses encourage people to observe, think, and reflect on the universe. The Quran repeatedly invites humanity to look at the sky, the earth, the mountains, and the stars, and to ask deeper questions about existence. And perhaps that is one of its most powerful messages. It does not just give statements, it encourages reflection. Maybe the real question is not only what the Quran says, but whether we are willing to open it, read it carefully, and think about its message. Because sometimes the greatest discoveries begin with a simple step: curiosity.
كل نفس ذائقة الموت ثم إلينا ترجعون